We're gonna go over here and get something to eat. There's a better picture of it from the outside. His iPad, he has it in his hand. So, huh?
You want to ask if they accept dollar instead of.
Yeah, I know. It's a big, giant bug. See if it's hot over there. See if it's hot. Is it hot?
Oh, yung here na lang.
Okay. Yeah, this is fine. So guys, we're over here at the NSL. We're gonna head over here and get some ice cream. Because he has like his favorite ice cream shop is down here somewhere. It's like the Armani Grand. Somewhere down here is an ice cream station. You got popcorn here. Smells good. You have burgers there. This is like pizza. I wonder if this is the same lady. We're gonna see. This is waffles. This is where's it at? Let's look. Come here. Wouldn't it be something if that lady was here? It'd be amazing if that same person was here. We're gonna see. No one's there. Not available. Oh. They're not there. This is it right here. But she's not here. I guess she's on break. Right? No one's there? Excuse me, no one's there? Oh, for CR, okay. So the CR means restroom. She's going to take a restroom break. But he normally get this stuff here. But you got all these toppings here, M&Ms, all of that. Oh, they got new cones. They got like these chocolate. They got these chocolate waffle cones here. And this is a soft serve machine. So we're gonna sit here and wait till she come back, okay? So while we're waiting on the inasal, they have to cook it. So it's gonna be fresh. They're cooking it on the grill and it's gonna be hot when we get it. So that's a plus, but it's taking like 30 minutes. It's almost like you're sitting down at a restaurant, but it's packed over there. So a lot of people over there. Oh, they added a salon in here. They got this big salon here. Right there. Very long salon. I have to tell my wife about that. Okay. You got shoes here. You'll see like places like this with a lot of shoes everywhere. Some malls have more than others, but this one has like a lot of shoes. Some shoes, there's like a lot of these guys, let me tell you, a lot of these are imitations, so they're like very cheap. Like some of them like 10 pesos, 20 pesos. Some are like 300, some are 500. So it just depends. But yeah, we're gonna wait till this lady come back and get this ice cream. So this is the same lady that was here last year. She's still here working.
The 35 pesos?
35 pesos. Let's see. 20, 40. It's 40. You want any sprinkles? You want anything on top? You do? You want this one? Yeah. How much is it extra for the sprinkle?
Yes, add 10 pesos.
You add 10? Okay.
What you want? Marshmallow, please. Only you add only 5 pesos, sir.
Oh, 5, yeah. Oh, you want marshmallow? Okay, 5 pesos. There's a 5 peso right here.
Yes, baby. Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be back next year. Okay. Yeah, she remembered you. She said you're big. Right? Yeah. Oh, this is a Levi's store. 50% off. So we're gonna go back over here to this MANOK. I'm ready to eat. Come on. So we'll probably be coming to this mall like every day or every other day, because this is like right across the street from our condo. Like you already seen, we can literally just walk across the street. Okay. But this is like a very popular place here in Philippines. You see this everywhere. I wish they had this in the U.S. Come on. Don't drop your spoon. Go there. Where'd she go? Oh, she here. She went up here to get something. Sit right here. Sit down. See, I told you don't drop it. Sit down. Okay.
That's right.
Here, hand me that stuff. You gotta use one of those spoons. Alright, look at this. It's gonna be delicious. And then here at the barbecue, my wife got the chicken, talabo, and the rice. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna try this falafel. What's the crispy in it?
Chicharron.
Chicharron. Oh. Yeah, they put chicharron inside.
Try this.
Vinegar. Right to the chicken. Yeah, the vinegar is good. Yeah. Not staining up. Yeah, it's good.
Magkano there? Good, no?
Yeah.
Kahit i-try na ba dito?
Salsa this. I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna get some of this rice here. Put that on top of that. All right, guys. I devoured it. It's gone. It's gone. Got my little drink. This is the size of drink they give you here in INASAL. I'm gonna put my hand here. Okay. That's the size of drink. This is like a kid size, McDonald's kid size. Okay. There are no refills. This is all they give you. But I ate all of them. I think they ate all of theirs too. All of theirs is gone. They ate it all. This place is really good.
Make the extra
The
size.
stairs are not working again.
This is down.
This is down, but we're taking it up. Whew.
Oh, there's hand and foot spa.
Oh, okay.
This one here too.
Yeah. They got a foot spa over here.
Facial there.
Facial.
Facial.
Vitamin drip. IV vitamin drip.
If
People
you
are,
want some glutathione and all that, yeah.
people are doing that. The foot spa.
We can do our foot spa here again
Yeah.
before leaving.
Then if you're into wigs, there's a bunch of wigs right there. Different color wigs.
You want to go grocery? Or
When we get into the unit,
so when we get there, we need to buy shampoo, we need to shower there. We
yeah.
haven't showered.
Okay, yeah, I haven't showered. But I'm gonna shower today. All right, guys, bye. Yeah, there's more ice cream down there.
Is that the lady over there?
No, hers is down there.
Ah.
Then you have cell phones, more cell phones here. Oppo is a very popular brand here. You got all these little shops here that you just buy stuff. Little knick-knack. I guess it's like the electronics floor. All these little electronic shops here. More cell phones down there. They have telecom, more cell phones. They look very familiar. Like they look almost the same, but they just got different names. Then you got this game room here. Another kids area over there. It's been here for a while. That's been there also. I think he wants to hit up the game room again. But they don't really have like They don't have like a lot of stuff. They only have like a few games, like some games over there. They got those tables right there that they kind of like gamble right there. You got this kiddie ride. You got that air hockey.
And then we go to SM. The SM is more bigger. We have a condo.
Yeah.
But we have to go to the condo because we need to.
Yeah, we're gonna go to another mall.
They need to fix this place. So I asked them that people there in the unit, like people who's taking care over there.
Yeah. Here's a hardware store. It's called Handyman.
You wanna go bathroom? No kidding. You wanna go bathroom? Yes or no? You wanna go?
This is a very big hardware store here.
I guess we have to turn around.
Massage studio.
Ah, it's a blind massager.
Oh yeah. So usually you see these people at the airport. They're blind and they give massages. But this is the center of the mall right here. Sometimes they hold events right here. People come in here and watch. There's the elevator. Yeah. And then you have Travis Cuts. It's a barber shop right here. This is like shoe store. You got the barbers over here. No one's getting a haircut today. Beauty studio, eyelashes, waxing. They do eyelashes over here also. Vintage Care, which is an eye place. Oh, the ceiling is leaking up there. Grand Store.
No, I'm not going. Daddy, test this.
And the elevator's off. So it's like that level is leaking up there, guys. Look. The whole level like up there is leaking now. There's a store right there, a little bit of everything in there. Maybe that's why the stairs that lead up there are off, but people are going up there. I don't know. I don't know. They need to do something to this place. It's kind of sad, but I'm sure eventually they'll fix it up. Once they get all those units going on over there and everything in the back. You got electronic stores over there. You got more stores down there. There's a bank right there. A Jollibee's in here. There's a Jollibee over there. There's Jollibee's everywhere. Yeah, let's get one and take it home. We're gonna go in here and get like a peach mango pie. Guys, a lot of these restaurants will have like a wash station like this right outside the restroom. So like INASAL have this, Jollibee have this. This is not in the restroom, it's just right outside. Okay, let's go. Go. Come on. Okay. Mommy almost dropped her cell phone. Oh, we have to wait again.
Philippines one. I'm getting sleepy.
Picking up some peach mango pie.
Super 42. Tatlong peach mango pie, tatlong cheese
Yes,
pie.
thank you. Salamat. Peach mango pie.
Join the condo.
All right, let's go. Guys, I'm gonna show you the hard model of the area that we're living in, which is right here. This is the mall that we're in. Here. This is the mall we're in. We're like over in this area, but this the we came in this year.
2 years.
We drove here. We went in this gate here, and we went into this building here. This is the building that we're in. Remember the yellow building? But this is the building that our unit is in right here. Right here. This, the middle of it is going to be like a pool and everything right there. They're going to have something in the back. Back there. Yeah, and then eventually something back here, they're going to build more, which is this other place right here. Let's go look at this real quick. This is the other one. They're going to build this in the back of that. It's going to be over here. This is a little bit bigger. Okay. I don't know if it's the same owner, but I think that it kind of looks like they're taking money from the profits from that to put into this, plus people that are going to be buying. This is really more nice. But yeah, so I don't know how exact this is going to be, because they got like a garden right there with shrubs and everything, the pool. This is really big. This is huge right here. Very huge. What is this? There's like a floor plan of some of the units right here. Yeah. It's nice. Armani Grand. Yeah, right there. Okay.
Pwede kumain sa mga Facebook, ma'am.
Facebook. Sige, Abi
Wala
Wallace.
sakali ang bana.
Kung delete ka, friend, delete ka na kung accept ka.
Ano siya, ma'am? Is na ko lang magdaya ang friend.
Barato pa ang pagpalitan. Kawa pa rin na po.
Oo, wala pa natutubi sa Criseli. Pero kano siya, ma'am?
Okay. And the store right here. Wow. Some of them kicking hard too. Some of them kick really hard. Go out the door, there's another restaurant right there.
Let's go to the food. We're trying to walk you. We're not going anywhere then. Go home. Huh? We have to rest a little bit.
Yes, we gotta rest.
You gotta shower. You gotta shower. Girl, you look at that, girl. Look. Photos though.
Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna take time though. This is the office for Armani Grand land. Some more stairs that are, come on, go. More stairs that are kind of like off-centered or something, I don't know.
morning, it's afternoon, bro.
Good afternoon.
Still morning, di ba?
So tomorrow there's going to be a brownout.
Yeah.
Right.
Because they're going to do the power of this place. You see, I got
Oh, they're going to do the power of this area?
yeah, the big this one.
Oh, they're going to add the power to that.
That's why they have to interrupt everything to
Right. Okay. Let's go. Sige. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Specifically lang unit 8.
Over here's the mailbox. All the mailboxes are here. All right, so we're gonna go into our unit. All right, guys, so we're gonna go into our unit. This is what the inside of it looks like.
829. Ano man yun? Ano, di man nila ako nakuha na yun eh. 826 yata.
Sige lang, isaka lang ako doon yung ito na yung...
Here's our unit. It's like running behind it. People are cleaning it.
Salamat. You're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, paper.